unequivocally. Meaning, in a very clear and definite way. Synonyms: clearly, definitely, absolutely. Example: he unequivocally denied the allegations. Contingent. Meaning, a group of people representing something, or depending on something else. Synonyms: group, delegation, team. Example: a military contingent took part in the parade. Perpetrators. Meaning, people who commit a harmful or criminal act. Synonyms: offenders, criminals, culprits. Example: the perpetrators of the attack were caught by police. Earnestly. Meaning, seriously and sincerely. Synonyms: sincerely, seriously, honestly. Example: she earnestly requested help from the teacher.